So remember, we're following our February challenge. You can find a link in my bio, okay? We have done this already, but we have also done all January, and you have it there too. Because I put up every single day, I put all the slides since I began doing lives, okay? So you have so much. Okay, so today we're going to do imperativo. Hola! Hi! Okay, are you ready to practice? ¿Estáis preparados para practicar imperativo? So you know the deal. I will explain imperativo, okay? And then we'll practice together, okay? So I will explain a little, like 2 or 3 or 4 slides, and then we have 2 to practice. And you can write your answers down below, and I will correct them, okay? And don't worry if you make a mistake, because you know what I say. I always say the same thing. Mistakes are the best thing for learning, okay? So, we love making mistakes here. Thank you for the hearts. Okay, let's start. Oops. Okay. Let's see. Imperativo. So, imperativo, imperative mood, okay? When you give orders, for example, there's only 2 that you have to study, okay? So, tú and vosotros, okay? Tú is you in singular, and vosotros, remember that in Spain we use vosotros, this is the tú, you in plural, okay? So, we have an example of each conjugation, okay? So, bailar, baila tú, okay? Beber, bebe tú. So, dance, drink, okay? Escribir, escribe tú, okay? And in plural, vosotros, bailad vosotros, bebed vosotros, escribid vosotros. Okay? Thank you for the hearts. I'm seeing them. Okay, when do we use imperativo? So, we use it to give like orders, commands like study, okay? Estudia tú, or estudiad vosotros. To give advice, okay? For example, no lo compres, no merece la pena, okay? No lo compres, don't buy it, okay? It's not worth it. What else? When do we use imperativo more? To give instructions, okay? For example, you know that I love to cook, and if I follow a recipe, okay, it says, pela la cebolla, okay? So, peel like the onion. Hi everyone joining. So, we're studying imperativo today. So, when do we use imperativo? For commands, to give advice, to give instructions, okay? And asking for something like, préstame tu libro, lend me your book, okay? Yay! Okay, so the thing with imperativo is that when we make it negative, okay, we have to use the subjunctive mood. So remember that I was saying, baila tú, okay, dance. But if I say, don't dance, I have to say, no bailes. And bailes is subjunctive, okay, in the present. Okay? Hola, de nada. Okay, so then, bebe tú, okay, drink. But if I don't want you to drink, I say, no bebas. Don't you dare, don't drink. Escribe, okay, write, no escribas. So notice that we're using the subjuntivo, okay? Vosotros. So remember, imperative, affirmative, bailad, okay, bailad, ending in D. But if I want to make it negative, no bailéis. Beber, no bebáis, okay? So when we make it negative, subjunctive. No escribáis, okay? Next one. When we use pronouns, this is a very fun way to use pronouns because you can remember them. Thank you for the hearts. Okay, so if I'm saying llámame, call me, okay, llámame, me goes after the verb. But if I'm saying it in negative, I have to put it before. So no me llames, don't call me, okay? Llámame, no me llames, okay? And when it's reflexive, okay, for example, peinarse, you know that to comb your hair, peinarse, reflexive, come back to you, the action, in the second person. Peínate, okay? And in plural, peinaos, okay? So peinad would be like the normal imperative, but peinaos, if I tell my daughters, peinaos, okay? Like, go brush your hair, okay? So that would be for reflexives. Okay, we are done explaining imperativo. I hope you have understood. Llámame is call me. Call me. Call me, me. Okay, you call me. Muy bien. So we have explained like how to use imperativo, remember? And now we're going to practice. So, ¿estamos listos para practicar imperativo? Yes, are we ready to practice? Let's do this. Okay, that's the fun part, practicing. Remember that you can write your answers down below and I will correct them, okay? Yay, we are ready. Let's do this. Okay, so, al abuelo le gusta tu dibujo. Okay, so, Grandpa loves your drawing. Muy bien, estamos listos. Muy bien, Dival. Tal vez. No, tal vez. We have to be ready. Estamos listos. Muy bien. Muy bien, estamos listos. Oh, don't worry about vosotros, Mary. Okay, so let's start. I love reading your comments and I get distracted. So, al abuelo le gusta tu dibujo, okay? Grandpa loves your drawing. And then I say, regalar, okay, like give, regalar, a él tu dibujo. And I put it like that on purpose because I'm going to show you another way of saying it. Regala. Okay, so, muy bien. It would be regálale. I put it like in separate words to see. So, regala tu dibujo a tu abuelo. Regala a él tu dibujo o regala tu dibujo a él, okay? But we don't say that, okay? We say regálale. We add le at the end. Regálale tu dibujo, okay? Regálale tu dibujo. Almost. Regálale, muy bien. Regálale. That's it. Okay, so remember, if I say regálale, I won't say a él. So, regálale tu dibujo. Okay, and we would say that. I put a él to make it easier for you to understand it. Regálale. Yes, that's it. Bien, muy bien. Regálale tu dibujo. Perfecto. Next one. No tengo hambre. I'm not hungry. No, remember, negative. No hacer tú más pasta. No tengo hambre. No, and you have to use no. What do we use when we are using the negative in imperativo? What tense? So, subjuntivo, right? Subjunctive. So, no. Almost. It's with a G. No hagas. No hagas. Muy bien. No hagas más pasta. So, I'm not hungry. Don't make any more pasta for me. Okay? No hagas. Muy bien. So, hagas is subjuntivo. Presente de subjuntivo, second person. Okay? No hagas. Muy bien. Perfecto. Next one. Vosotros usad siempre lápiz, no boli. So this is, for example, in class when they tell the little kids, don't use a pen. You have to always use a pencil. Okay, so yes, porque es negativo. Muy bien. So this is what I was saying, that vosotros usad siempre lápiz. You have to give that command. Okay, vosotros. Muy bien, perfecto. Usad siempre lápiz, perfecto. Muy bien. Yay, muy bien. Muy bien. Yes, we are practicing imperativo, remember. So, vosotros usad siempre lápiz, no boli. Okay? Muy bien. Okay, next one. No usar. And the person is you, okay? El móvil en clase. No, el móvil en clase. What would you say? No. It's negative. So remember, imperativo, negative, we have to use subjunctive. No uses. Muy bien, Giuseppe. No uses, okay? So it's subjuntivo because I'm saying in negative, don't use. No uses. Muy bien. Perfecto. Perfecto. Okay, muy bien. I'm so happy. Can't you tell? Okay. This is our last slide. So, are you ready? Okay. Por favor, abrir la ventana. Tengo calor. Okay, please. Open the window. I'm hot. So, por favor, abrir la ventana. What would you say? Por favor. Okay, I haven't specified a person, okay? So, let's do both. Okay, second person. So, por favor, tú abre la ventana. Muy bien, abre. Okay, tú. You. Por favor, tú abre la ventana. But if I say vosotros, por favor, vosotros la ventana, what would you say? So, abre is perfect if I'm saying it to you. Por favor, abre la ventana, tengo calor, okay? But if I'm saying, like there's a bunch of people there, I say, por favor, la ventana. Abrid la ventana. Muy bien, perfecto. Abrid la ventana. Por favor, abrid la ventana. Okay, so it was, por favor, abre la ventana, or por favor, abrid la ventana. Tengo calor. Perfect. Next one. No tanto. And here I put vosotros. No tenemos prisa. Okay, so no correr, okay, like run. We are not in a hurry. So no, negative, imperativo. Okay, so no corráis. Muy bien, because we have to use the subjunctive. No corráis tanto. No tenemos prisa. Muy bien. No corráis, because it's negative, okay? Negativo. Muy bien. No corráis. No corráis tanto. No tenemos prisa. Muy bien. Next one. So, dejar. Tú ya de molestar a tu hermana. So this was inspired in my life. So, what do I tell one of my kids? De molestar a tu hermana. Muy bien. Deja ya de molestar a tu hermana. Deja ya de molestar a tu hermana. Just don't worry. We're here to learn. We're here to practice. Okay? So, muy bien. Yay! Perfecto. Muy bien. And the last one. Are you ready for the last one? So, cuando llegues a casa, las manos. And the verb is lavarse, okay? Lavarse. Because you have to wash your hands. Okay, and it's reflexive. So, cuando llegues a casa, muy bien. Remember that we put the pronoun at the end, okay, when it's affirmative, okay? And when it's negative, it goes before the verb, okay? Oh my God. Muy bien. Cuando llegues a casa, lávate las manos. Muy bien. Lávate. Muy bien. Perfect. And with the accent mark, Divat. Muy bien. No seas sucio. Oh, you're so funny. Muy bien. Cuando llegues a casa, lávate las manos. Okay, so to recap, let's see. I'm going to show you just like super fast. We have studied imperativo, okay? When to use it. How can we use it when it's negative, okay? What happens when there's a pronoun there? Okay, and then we have practice. So, how do you feel? Are we feeling good? Have we understood everything? So remember, This video will be up on my YouTube channel, okay, in a few days. I'm uploading everything there. And if you want to practice again and get your daily challenge with all the practice, it's linked in my bio, and you get not only January but February, and every single one we are doing, I uploaded in the following day. So, yes, you have a lot there. Yay, entiendo imperativos. I'm so happy. Oh, muchas gracias. Muy bien. Okay, we'll do it, Mary. Muy bien. Muy bien, pues muchísimas gracias. Thank you so much for being here with me. As always, you know that I go live every single day at 9 p.m. Central European Time. Okay, and as always, I'm so happy to spend this little time with you every single day, and we'll see each other tomorrow. Un beso muy grande. ¡Mua! Y hasta mañana. Adiós. Adiós a todos. Adiós.